right, everybody. Welcome back if you've been here before. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be drawing a jellyfish, and all you need is a blank sheet of paper and a marker. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start with a big half circle like this, and then we're going to connect it with squiggly lines like that. Then we're going to draw lines coming down like this, almost like spaghetti. Some you could do more zigzaggy. Then you could come around it like this a little bit. Another one here. Another one here. Another one here. Then we're gonna put a face on it. So what I like to do is we'll do an eye, just a circle right there, another circle here, and then some eyebrows, and maybe a smiley face. And that's our jellyfish. Time to color.